Today, I worked on a vehicle where the customer reported the check engine light was on. After connecting a scan tool to check for fault codes, I found P0301, which indicates Cylinder 1 Misfire Detected. This code points to a problem with Cylinder 1, so I started the diagnosis by inspecting the air intake and fuel systems. After a thorough check, I found no issues with either system. Next, I focused on the ignition system. I connected a spark tester to ignition coil number 1 and ran the engine to see if it was producing a steady spark. It wasn't. There were inconsistencies in the spark output, which suggested an issue with the coil. To confirm, I used a lab scope with an inductive ammeter and attached it to the control circuit for ignition coil number 1. Running the engine, I monitored the ignition coil's primary amperage waveform on the lab scope. The waveform revealed that the coil was shorted, confirming it as the source of the misfire. The fix was straightforward. I replaced ignition coil number 1 with a new one. After installing the replacement, I cleared the fault codes using the scan tool and took the car for a road test to ensure everything was functioning properly. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new codes appeared. This repair shows how important proper diagnostic tools like a lab scope are for pinpointing issues in the ignition system. By methodically testing each part of the system, I was able to identify the exact cause of the misfire and ensure a reliable repair. If you're dealing with a P0301 code, following these steps can help you efficiently diagnose and fix the problem.